Welcome back, everyone. I have a Walgreens haul that I did on Sunday, and some people got a coupon. It was make a purchase, get $5. It was a digital coupon. I got it. So I purchased a small Tide and the Oral-B toothbrushes. So it was 10 and change, and I redeemed $10 in Walgreens cash. I paid $1.32. I got $10 back. Now, these rewards here were from last week. I wanted to use them in the spend 45, get $10 scenario in store. So what I did was 4 Gain product, the L'Oreal Elvive and the Walgreens paper towels. So I had to make sure I was at 45, and I lowered my out of pocket with a register rewards of $20. And let me know if you did this deal. I saw a lot of people doing many deals and, really getting some good deals. So Um, but yeah, here's my breakdown. It was $26.96, but my coupons didn't come off and my register rewards did not print. They gave me $10 credit in store, and when I left, um, the bottom line is I earned $37 because I had to call customer service. They had to give me 10 for spending 45 and the $7 in coupons that did not come off. If the coupons came off, it would have been $19.96 and things like that. So it was $1.32 that I paid for my pickup order, earned 10, paid $26.96 pre-tax on the in-store order. So I really made a good dent in getting some more Walgreens cash to do other transactions, to buy things I need. But if you need laundry products or anything, and if you have, the booster where it's make a purchase of anything, get 5. Or if you need oral care, you're getting the rewards back. If they don't print, I would speak to a manager in store and have them put it on your account. It's just easier than waiting for Catalina. But I thought I did pretty well for all of the things I got. So I paid approximately $28 and I got 37 back. So these were all free plus a moneymaker. So let me know what you've done, but check out the deals. There are a lot of good boosters out there. If you got them, let me know. Leave a like, share, and subscribe if you appreciate this content. But save money where you can and never pay full